Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. This video regarding NEET chapter. That chapter is a evolution chapter. This is the 12th standard chapter. Already in the previously either board or NEET based we completed previous chapter. One is a human reproduction completed, next reproductive health completed, then principles of inheritance and variation chapter completed. Now in this chapter evolution, a link between the all the chapters of what we are studied in the 11th standard and 12th standard. Up to now what you learned, those and all learned about hours. For example, in the 11th standard you studied human physiology, digestive system and then respiratory system, excretory system, these and all. Correct na? Now after that systems of human being, in the 12th standard human reproductive system we seen. Human reproductive. So what is the link I will tell in this video along with this evolution. So introduction of evolution of this chapter you will get idea in this video. Dear students, evolution. Before starting about this chapter evolution, in 11th standard we studied how human being is continue their life by the physiological activities. Correct only na? I will be connecting the 10th standard chapter, so 11th standard chapter with the 12th standard. In the 10th standard you study life process, one of the chapter in biology. So for maintenance of life, a individual organism must be show something physiological activities. That physiological activities either digestive system, I mean nothing but a nutrition, respiration, okay, after that excretion, waste material want to send out from the body, that is excretion, okay, then next reproductive system. Along with these activities wise also we seen locomotion, movement, this is not a much more important of our living things. Of course it is a basic criteria of the find out the living life characteristic, but movement and then locomotion not essential. If without movement, without locomotion also, if you are one organism getting the nutrition, that means that organism having the sustainability nature. Correct or not? But movement is one of the character, whatever it is. So after that it showing the several responses from the environment, but that way we learned nervous system. Nervous system play an important role giving to the response, stimulations from the external environment or internal stimulations. And then last endocrinal system we seen, nothing but a chemical coordination that we seen in the 11th standard. Correct only na? So what from the 11th standard onwards what we understand means for an individual want to sustaining of their life itself, okay, that need several life process activities. That and all we completed 11th standard. Basic things we learned in 10th standard. But in the 12th standard we started with the human reproduction. That human reproduction lesson itself will give to the continuation of a human being. Human race want to reproduction process only, that only na significance of the reproduction means in this world every organism, every variety of organism having the same equal power of the continuation of their species ray. Okay, I mean their race, human race or pig race, the species continuation on the earth. Okay, that is a meaning of the reproduction. After second chapter we seen in the reproductive health. Here human being is a somewhat of advanced condition, so that's why reproductive wise what are the essential steps want to follow and for the maintenance of population growth. Okay, should not be increase, should not be less. So what we have to do, that we seen. And then third chapter, principles of inheritance and variation. How a individual of organism, when they are showing the reproduction, why it is not sharing the same characteristics of their offsprings. That only we seen. Sharing of characteristics from the one generation to another generation, nothing but sharing means transformation. That we call inheritance. Okay, at the time of the inheritance, here offsprings should not be have all the characteristics with similarities with their parents. That something variation is there. That leads to the something change in the within the one species. Within the one species, variations we seen. Correct now. But now my basic question, and every living being, but as a thinker, human being having a basic question, what is this diversity of organisms? Why it is happens? Like Earth, any other planet, such human or any different other living organisms, maybe it is present or not. This type of interrogative questions will be arise in our thought. Okay, for that wise this is a chapter to discuss about how the evolution is happened, how these type of variety of organisms, either plants and animals, how it is happens, want to know. Okay, so according to our ancestors knowledge, they share to us in the form of the evolution chapter. Okay, so what we have some of the doubts in our brain, that doubts will be getting the something clarity by the understanding of this chapter. Okay, the doubt regarding with what is this diversity in the earth, how these type of organisms, this many variety of organisms are evaluated, that is a basic doubt. Correct now. So that all doubts will under this chapter. This evolution means nothing but a different individuals or origin after what are the different changes or happens in that living things, that changes onwards what are the organisms are developed, then how they are leads their life in the different geographical places. Correct now. So that is the thing. So for example, when you take out kangaroo animal can't live in our India environmental condition. It is an Australian breed. Correct now. So there is presence only one particular area. Kiwi bird, that is a New Zealand. Like some of the birds only restricted for based on their geographical conditions, that we call the endemic. Okay, see, that is a endemic species. Endemic species are opposite word of the pandemic. Okay, this is what is the meaning of the pandemic. Without any geographical diversity, if any one thing is spread out all over world wise, that is a pandemic. Just corona is a pandemic situation. Okay, the coronavirus is spread out all over world wise. It can able to survive anywhere. Such a type of nature we call as a pandemic. Okay, and endemic means it can't able to survive all the places. It is restricted on one place. So kangaroo is a endemic species of the Australia, and kiwi is the endemic species of the New Zealand, like that. But here why I said this means how these type of organisms are surviving in that particular places, but remaining organisms how it will be adapted to surviving of all the areas. For example, human being is present in Australia and then New Zealand and India and Africa, different places. but some of the other organisms not like that. So something restriction is there. So what happens for their restriction of their growth and then their development? Such a type of interrogative questions and interesting questions we will discuss in this chapter. So here organic evolution. Why we have kept the in front of the evolution organic word means here we are learning about the organism, how it is evaluated. So first word organic evolution is given by the Herbert Spencer. Scientist names you should be remember. If possible, make it all the scientist names in the one paper, write down, because of in the NEET one question based on the scientists. Okay, one question based on the year based. So it is useful to you that note. So organic evolution is a Herbert Spencer, derived from given by the Herbert Spencer. And then Darwin said, given the one statement, when we heard it the evolution word in our brain, one scientist will become. Okay, that scientist name is a Darwin. How genetic word related with Mendel. Okay, so I like evolution word link with Darwin because of he gave lot of contributions for evolution science. So Darwin's fails in the mystery of the mystery. He is felt about regarding evolution, mystery of the mystery. Up to that, several scientists did several works, several contributions basing on their only human being related concepts. What is cell? What is inside of the cell? What it is there? What it is function? Like that type of investigative mysteries they are finding. But these Darwin came out from the human body and observing the surrounding environment, then they will be understand different diversity of the living things. So that's why he said one thing, what a mystery of our surroundings. Along with human beings, several organisms are there, that several organisms are evaluated of one by one. If you see the several organisms, something similarities we can see. For example, monkey, if you see in that something similarities in between the human being and monkey. So he understand what a mystery in the link between the human being to that, and what a mystery link between the human being to the amoeba. Amoeba also doing nutrition, we are also doing nutrition. Amoeba also respiration, we are also doing respiration, but something variation is there. That variation tells in the form of the mystery. No one on that time, no one doesn't know. So Darwin is felt about the evolution is a mystery of the mysteries. Then he given the one something by the understanding of the different places. Surround forces have created the world. Earth had all the current fauna and flora. This word is enough, no? Fauna and flora. Present earth containing the numerous number of variety of fauna and flora. Flora indicates the plants, fauna indicates the animals variety. Okay, that is the thing. But in our surroundings, if you see in the properly by observation, we will find out different fauna and flora. That flora and fauna observed by the Darwin at Galapagos Island. In this chapter, we will study about Darwin in contributions, right? So that is about a feeling of the Darwin. And then next, organic evolution, origin of a species. So here organic evolution means first how that organisms are evolved on that earth. Okay, then from that onwards, origin of species. How the species are one by one species are differentiated. Okay, what are the factors are that differentiation of speciation, that we want to know. So that's why here formation of one new species, that we called as a speciation. That speciation, maybe there is a chance for macroevolution and microevolution. Macroevolution is tells about descent with modification. Descent with modification means okay, a one organism slowly modified, then it will be leads to the formation of the new organism. Okay, that mechanism we call as a macroevolution. Microevolution means there is a sudden change that by the force, force means something abnormal conditions. By that abnormal conditions, a new species or a new organism is introduced in the one population. Already we studied in the principles of inheritance and variation. By that knowledge, that chapter knowledge, we heard it one mutation word. By the mutation word, microevolution will causes. Why microevolution causing by the mutation? It is a sudden appearance of that characteristic. Maybe there is a chance to continuation or may not be chance. Okay, so that is a microevolution, sudden appearance of the special characteristics in the population of one individual species that we call as a microevolution. Or some of the times descent with modifications means board explanation time we seen giraffe neck formation. That giraffe neck formation is not a sudden change. Okay, that it is a descent with modifications. It is takes a long time as gradual changes, correct only now. So that is a macroevolution. Here in this time I will be say just for motivational one sentence, Rome was not built in a day. That is nothing but equal to the descent with modifications only now. That Rome city is built by the day by day several years time to take to build up that Rome city, correct only now. Like that, if any one organism or any one species want to evaluate it means it will be done by the continuation of several modifications. Okay, not by any sudden change. So that is a macro, and then the second one is a micro. So micro time we should be use the stress, force is there, additional force. By the additional force only mutations will be occurs. That mutations leads to the formation of the new individual. Okay, and then very important thing, okay, by the evaluation of any one organism onwards, how that continue the organism, by reproduction how it will be transforming the characteristics and to the other organisms. These and all we can able to say one word, that is driving force of evolution. Evolution meaning theriyum, mechanism we know. Okay, origin of new organisms and their continuation. Okay, that organisms how they are, which of the forces are driving that evolution. So here driving forces of the evolution by the different steps. One more time, class explanation time I will tell. In the introduction wise, I will give some of the brief account about driving force of evolution. The driving forces of evolution is gene recombination. Previous chapter you heard it, these gene recombination, linkage and recombination topic you studied in principles of inheritance variation, correct na? In that time, gene recombination time, which is the genes are located on the chromosomes by the distance wise, those genes will be leads to the recombination chances. One table also you seen, one diagram. In that time, if the genes located on the one single chromosomes are that too very closely, those genes will not be shows anything recombination chances. Linkage genes, maybe their genes are located on the something different distance wise, those genes will be shows the something recombination chances, correct only na? So here if the gene is shows the something recombination by the chiasma formation in the cell division, then it will be show something variation. Okay, so gene recombination, after what word I wrote here, variation I wrote. So recombination leads to the variation in the gene. If the variation came in the gene level means a phenotypical also will be affect na. So it one more factor is genetic defect. After variation, genetic drift. Okay, genetically variation, nothing but variation in the gene levels. Then that variation is flow, gene flow, that we call as a gene flow. That instead of the gene flow, I can able to use inheritance. So which of the genes are modified or changed, that changed genes are transformed into the next generation by generation by generation. That mechanism we know, we can able to say gene flow. Correct or not? By the gene flow, characteristics controlling genes are transforming the next generation. So that's why here I used a heritable, benefit, variation. So what are the changes are present, happened in the one organism, that thing should be inheritable, heritable benefit through the positive speciation pressure. One thing I want to say, okay, for example, why I used, okay, listen to me, why I used the positive selection of the pressure mean, for example, a new organism is origin, maybe that is creating the destruction in the universe or destruction in the organisms. Okay, such a type of pressure is a more problematic. Okay, by the one single organism, if any other organism is getting lot of problems means it is not a good speciation, that is not a good speciation pressure. Okay, positive speciation means the newly origin organism want to a beneficial aspect, okay, without any destruction way. So that's why we want to say positive selective selection of pressure. Okay, that is a driving force of evolution. What are the driving forces? Gene recombination, variation, genetic drift, gene flow, and heritable benefit of the variation through the positive speciation pressure. This is the introduction part. And then along with this, in this chapter, we want to know about universal concept. Why we want to need universal concept? Here we are studying about how Earth having this much of variety, flora and fauna. Before you want to learn about the flora and fauna diversity, first we want to learn about how Earth is evolved. So beginning about Earth formation, where the Earth is present, we want to know. Earth present in the one Milky Way, correct now, in solar system, especially solar system. That solar system present in the one Milky Way, like several Milky Ways we can able to see in the total universe. So from the beginning of universal changes, then we want to know by the changes how Earth is evaluation, by the after Earth evaluation, how that Earth surface area first living organism is born, origin of life. Then after forming of the a small life characteristic living thing, how it leads to the several modification to continuation of their life. By the continuation, what are the changes that happens, that only we can able to say mechanism of evolution. And then account of the evolution. Account of the evolution means from the Earth evaluation, after Earth evaluated after beginning onwards up to now, what are the different time zones are completed. By the different time zones, what are the organisms are existed in that particular time period, when they are extincted, when they are origin, when they are developed, when they are extincted, that and all. Nothing but our bank account, nothing but our bank account. By the when we are started open that bank account, when we are debited, when we are credited. Okay, that means evaluation and then extinction. Okay, when we are close, nothing but universally maybe something natural calamities will come, but total universe will be destroyed. Like that is a closing point regarding to the universe. Okay, like that here account of the evolution, and then origin and evaluation of man. Here again as a selfish person of the human being, finally we end with how the human being is evaluated, what is the different characteristics of the human being. Up to now we learned about our functional, physiological functional ways. Now we are learning about, in this chapter conclusion time, we are learning about our generation. I mean our generation means our origin, human being origin. what from the origin of the human being onwards, what are the different modifications that happened up to now. That means early man to modern man. That is a thing. This chapter will give the clarity about these topics. So come to the introduction part. Okay, by understanding of these brief information of evolution, we want to tell about evolution definition. We want to tell about evolution definition. Here, evolution is a branch of biology. Always we are saying the same definition. Morphology or embryology, whatever it is. It is a branch of biology that deals with the origin of life and origin of life and diversity of organisms. Up to now I discussed about that only. How the earth is origin, from the after earth formation life, how it is origin, how the different type of organisms or living things are existed on the earth. That information giving subject we called as a evolution. That too based on the earth ages. Different earth is ice age we seen. Okay, stone based age. So from the earth evaluation onwards up to now, what are the changes or happens in the life, that and all. Discussing chapter is a topic we called as a evolution. These basically according to the generally all the scientific terminologies are taken from the Latin, because of some olden days the scientists are using a lot of Latin, or those people belongs to that country. Okay, so they are using that Latin. This is also evaluation is a Latin word. By the meaning of the evaluation word, unfolding or rolling out, unfolding and rolling out. That means one of the secret thing is there. Okay, in the very secretly, now that secret is revealed. So some letter is unfolding. Like unfolding means what are the thing is folded, unknown thing. That unknown thing is now revealed out. Like that is the meaning. That is a one way of meaning, general meaning of evolution. Unfolding or rolling out. Okay, then now according to the one more scientist, he said about one statement. Nothing in the biology makes sense except in the light of evolution. That means without evolution process, what we are led, that and all, nothing. Without evolution is there na. Up to now what we studied, digestive system we seen, these and all different. This is the time to recalling of the 11th standard. How the animal kingdom, animals are classified basing on the body presence, tissue, cells and organ system. These and all evolutionary methods, evolutionary pattern onilla. So without evolution, what we learned that and all in the biology, nothing itself. These statements is given by the Dobzhansky statement to scientists understand it nana. And along with this, these topics already what I saying now, what I will be say now, those topics already I explained in our board. See here biological evolution. So here after earth evaluation, after biological evolution, life from the unicellular level onwards. Whether you know or doesn't know, recall the board subject, board knowledge. Here before life origin, life is origin from the non-living particles onwards, that to chemicals onwards. You heard it, chemical evolution of origin, correct now? So that only applicable here, biological evolution. And then here several things I am saying from the beginning of this video. Okay, now in your mind one question is there, sir, we need evidences. Okay, so biological evolution wise we have the several evidences for showing, discussing. By that evidences only we are getting some clarity of our misconceptions. Okay, then theory of evolution, sir. Different theories are there. Maybe what is the process of evolution proposing by the different scientists, that we will discuss in this video. And nowadays generation, what is the we are most acceptable theory of regarding the evolution, that is a modern synthetic theory. Modern synthetic theory. By these modern synthetic theory, how these evolution is happens is purely explained. Okay, so this topic will give to the clarity about these topics. Under these topics I will be give some more information regarding the NEET. Up to that, wait, Nana. Thank you.